Unknown miscreants brutally murder 60-year-old mother of renowned fashion designer Robert Naurim at her residence this afternoon. 12 Congress MLAs resigned from party posts, accepting false and party's defeat in recent 17th Lok Sabha election. And teacher trainees of 2 exam centers urge relevant authority to declare pending results of NIOS diploma in elementary education examination. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjam, bringing you the top stories. 60-year-old Naurim Rekha, mother of renowned fashion designer Robert Naurim, was found brutally murdered at her residence in Singjamai Thokchom Laikai under Singjamai police station this afternoon. One Somananda, a hairstylist who works for Robert Naurim, found the body laying on blood-splattered floor near a door of a room on the first floor of her residence around 1:30 p.m. She sustained severe injuries on her head suspected to be from a severe blow by an object. A morsel of rice was still in the mouth of the deceased and gold jewelries on her body were missing. Naurim Rekha is survived by her husband Naurim Vijamani's son Robert Naurim and 2 married daughters. Family members and neighbors suspect that the incident might have occurred between 10 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. They also intimated that Rekha's husband Vijamani exchanged heated arguments with 3 non-local laborers who are currently engaged for renovation of a temple at their residence this morning before he left for work. Manipur police team led by IG Clay Kongsai and SP Imphal West Police K Meghachandra and a team of Manipur Forensic Science rushed at the spot for necessary investigations. It may be mentioned that Robert Naurim is out of station as he left for Bangalore around 10:30 this morning to attend a fashion show.
Sir Robert se hayeng se ma show lai bagi makeup ki Bangalore da akoi pung 10 makhai gi flight ne ha bagi drop tawram matung da mani kai ka layu akoi da na har paisa se sinar me phani kai ka se lera ga phi khara bamon kampu da phi sabi lai magi adu maha ki phi sabi mayum du da chatlaga phi kai ka do yengu so na har ga chatlura ga halak pagi sida iru jamai tha ge na du yum da hana changa ge na changa akana sida imana ba amaga lakmina bane aise adu doga ibani se changa akana sida khoi gi hek chang bagi ka gi mamang sida i ga ising ga tor yana ra ga tar ga lerame imana besina ka de university na hangak pasida aije mathak pa chengkha pasida mama di makha da corridor da dum tar ga lerame changa ko matam da na han ga di mama se gate che puna lonjali khoi na yum yor ko matam da mama se ko dhanai thong hang gate hang ona duga ngasi di gate hang ga lerame already gate hang ma matam da ching di ching nei du duga i do u matam da mo hena ching na ba de aije pa chengkha pa ne mathak da du dai mama da tar ga lerame.
12 Congress MLAs resigned from party posts, accepting false and party's defeat in the recently concluded 17th Lok Sabha election. MPCC also condemned rumors over some Congress MLAs joining the BJP as false propaganda of BJP. Congress MLA Govindas Konthausam asserted that all the 20 MLAs of Congress party are steadfast and united as ever. The 12 MLAs who resigned from MPCC post are Chief Whip of Congress Legislative Party, Govindas Konthausam, Vice President Abdul Nasir, N. Lokin, Khumukcham Joykishan, Chaltolian Amo, Didi Thaisi, Treasurer K. Ranjit, General Secretary K. Meghachandra, R.K. Imo, Alfred Kangam, Arthur, CLP Secretary D.K. Karungthang, and Treasurer of Minority Cell Fazur Rahim. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan, BT wrote today, Govindas Konthausam lamented that Congress party could not win either inner or outer constituency seat in the recent election despite a remarkable performance. He mentioned that the party secured scanty votes even in his own home constituency. Asserting that Congress party respects the public's mandate in the election, Govindas said that they resigned from the party post with an aim to strengthen Congress party right from grassroots level in the state. Insinuating that public is already aware of agendas of BJP and its allied parties, Govindas assured that there is no question of Congress MLAs defecting the party and will never join the BJP as rumored. Taking part in today's press meet, MLA K. Ranjit also asserted that Congress MLAs are steadfast with their stance and there is no question of changing parties. He reminded that 28 Congress MLAs won the 11th Assembly election with love and support from public. However, some self-centric MLAs joined the BJP, reducing their number to 20. He assured that Congress party will continue to strive against various issues threatening the state like Citizenship Amendment Bill, Indo-Naga Framework Agreement and border pillar controversies. Ranjit asserted that their resignation from party posts is only to strengthen the party.
Manipur da lairiba sungsinaba sarkar asigi leijariba sungsinaba sarkar da yauriba tongan ba dol sing asi ningthijana wakhan manana leiminadabra haibadudi media da khoina adum khangbang ambang haktani makhoi sing adu intake oina thamnanaba punsinna thamnanaba honabada Congress party gi nipan ama khoidagi chen khroba matungda tarang kun khak leija horiba si amaga mot khenana uhannanaba adugumba lanna media gi through the lakwa do madu yamna laibak thibani मधु अखोगी माइकेदगी डिफेक्ट तौननबा अदुगा भारतीय जनता पार्टी दा यावनबा अमत लेते यावसु यावरोय हायदना अइना मयामदा सेंगदोकचनिंगी.
Taking part in the press meet, MLA Kumuktum Joy Kishan blamed office bearers of Congress party for its defeat in the recently concluded 17 Lok Sabha elections. He stressed the need to strengthen the party right from grassroots levels. MLA Joy Kishan also asserted that efforts are underway to empower Congress party right from block level and to face various challenges threatening the state.
Congress na inner amasung outer animak mai palam badagi handak mai pa hubang ngamudaba se akoin office bearer oraga party responsible lauraga mai pan bangam daba se akoina madugi responsible lobom thui akoi ga soibje thidoksi aduga koi hena thabakan work tok se aduna koi gi MLA sing party resign toroga koi ground work thabak kan ho se aduna koi tokjabani government sigi wangang loina su citizens amendment bill chalan gani na lokthokre adu ngasi bokta Manipur gi lup amatana madu tawba yaroi haibse mamang da law Manipur da lairiba koi proof mayam se masige thona linggen se hangrabra haibse miyam na hangliba wafam ni matang asida Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee amade koi tinjariba koi MLA sing sidagi koina thamjaning badi Manipur praja akidemakta koina sugumba citizen amendment bill ma lak matamda angamba thakta khinagani karigumba darka lairabagadi akoi MLA sing se mache thawai thabagi lanpham babu changjal aga akoi madu chanhandaba thengnagani.
Teacher trainees have expressed disappointment over withheld of results of diploma in elementary education diet exam conducted by NIOS for 612 teachers trainees of two examination centers allegedly due to shortcomings of the concerned authorities. Speaking to media at Chilchil Christian College in Kanglatombi today, a teacher trainee who appeared the exam, Lijing Musilfa, stated that National Institute of Opened School NIOS conducts diploma in elementary education examinations as per the instruction of the Ministry of Human Resource Development to produce efficient teachers across the country. He said that exam was successfully conducted across the state. However, results for 612 teacher trainees who appeared in third semester examination conducted at Lao Radiant Higher Secondary School in Senapati Bazaar and Bishnulal High School in Char Hazar on December 20th and 21st are not declared yet, owing to mistakes by the authority concerned during submission of an answer papers at post office. He mentioned that even the results for fourth semester exam conducted on February 15th and 16th this year for other centers have been declared. The teacher trainees urged the relevant authorities to look into the matter without further delay.
Do ikuna tiglum tamda postal timing si Lauredian gina 1:58 PM da oirame adaga Bishnulal gina 2:47 PM da oirame adu hoi Langre Habudi Moigi Masagini, higher authority gini, or post master Orambia, or exam center superintendent Orambia. Adu I could as a trainee, Aduna, I could land Kitamina, I could chumna exam to Pigina, I could results Matamsana Pan view, have Sekuna appeal to.
For the first time, the Department of Education S, Forest Department, private schools and All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMCHU will collaborate in planting around 65,000 tree saplings on World Environment Day on June 5th. Speaking to media at News Secretariat today, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam stressed the need to plant more trees to combat rising global warming. He appealed to support the mega tree plantation drive to be held from 9 a.m. till 10 a.m. in over 1,000 different locations on June 5th.
ayam matam da koi na u thara thari thaba hing da u se koi ga na kisi de koi mam punna koi stakeholder mam tanara kanda koi with love and interest koi na tawdri thabak se masi result pi da ya de have khana ra kanda before plantation pre plantation and post plantation mahuksa gi me jun na sa da ta sa ga le indham da ingak tre nong chang na tarak tre siguma tawri is climate change lai se koi ching nu u horok taba.
And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on mob fury at RIMS over suspicious death of a patient. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Mob violence occurred at RIMS Hospital in Lamphel over death of a patient due to alleged negligence of doctors today. The deceased is identified as 60-year-old Dakhilanbam Sanayanba, son of late Nodia Chan from Lamsang Sanjainbam in Imphal West. The mob fury occurred around 7:30 this morning. Timely intervention by Imphal West police personnel contained the situation. Dakhilanbam Sekhar, son of late Sanayanba, expressed sadness that his father died due to negligence of doctors in the hospital. Lamphel police has transferred the body to RIMS morgue and has registered a case to probe the incident.
Doctor Amada in Hajaru Matan says get Doctor Amatarana Mana Ibedagi Dangi Pung Ani Adaida water refer to Matunda Hadiva Wagi heart keep lungs keep problemazi Moina tube Toraga gastic Lotoka the Hare gastic lay Aduka minor Lotokino Hangubamatan the Makoina Sirins Natilaga Lotoka the Hare Aduga Maduda Changadaba Hidak Langtug Adagi Makogi bed Doctor Naloy Silamani Doctor Zizu Changna in a consent of Banate Maduda PG Doctor Ama Mayang Masamana Toraga Matamda Makoina Sain Tawai Sain Jane Karigino have kind of Hidak Langtak to give Hidaputore, Adumatamdu, or Revenue Redu Hidak to Aduga Mokoina Sig Sainzi, Aina Rix, Low Rabani Yare, Operation Torom, Masida Topa, Daitapunam Laure High, Hibegi, Amamoina Philip Torome, Anadi, Masito Wanate, playing the Tohonmani, Aduga Kwana, Moina Philip Toxelamani, Masiana, CZ Yenge, Harubamatanda, Moina Philip Toxelamani.
Meanwhile, proscribed Kangleipa Communist Party Military Council in a press release condemned RIMS Director and Catholic Schools Authority in the state. The proscribed outfit further prohibited carrying out of contract works at RIMS. It also warned of stringent actions against RIMS director and his concerned associates, including allied CSOs. 20-member Youth Task Force of Joint Student Coordination Committee confiscated huge amount of tobacco products from shops nearby GP Women College and TG Higher Secondary School today. The tobacco products seized during an anti-drug campaign drive of JSCC were set ablaze. Speaking to media, JSCC convener Manjit Sarangthim expressed disappointment over the negligence of the state government in ensuring that tobacco products are not sold within 100-meter radius of any educational institution as prohibited across the country.
Provision of Advertisement and Regulations and Trade and Commerce Production, Supply and Distribution Act 2003 gi Section 6 ki matungina cigarette amadi tobacco gi production yon basi 100 meter radius ki mangdi yon basi masi ahakpa penalty fangnabagi dumba provision de yawe lengak pusing na mahungfana exercise tawdabagi mami duna ningasi aikoina thengnarakanda ngasi phadokanda koi bhum jaba jaga amda miyamang da mai thadokanda manghan jagadori basini Deputy Director koi Health and Family Welfare na nodal officer orakanda notification thokanda koi district kuding maki CMO singda mahi tampam sang 75 koi district amam da khagalakanda koi central government da achauba sanfam amma sanction torakanda koi 2018 dagi awareness program pakhan bagi dugum thorang babu laigrabani aduga loinana tongan ba official singna medical directorate na aduga DCP na su notification thokanda koi indak managi polam sing si fagatna bagi aduga masi yolandana bagi aduga district kuding maki SP singda including NAFS KSP yauna aduga concern OC singda station kuding maki widang managi polam sing yolibra yondabra haibadu check tawna bagi dugum routine work amoina chathana bagi thorang baba government notification kya thokbasu like.
A blood donation camp was held on the occasion of International Women's Healthy Day in Thoubal district today. Association of Voluntary Blood Donors Manipur, Thaupal District Branch, Khangabok Youth Development and Students Association, KYDSA Khangabok and Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit, District Hospital Thaupal jointly organized the camp under the aegis of State Blood Cell, National Health Mission, Manipur. Many volunteers donated blood at the camp held at Blood Bank of Thaupal District Hospital. 75th commemoration of Second World War's Battle of Red Hill was held at Maibam Lotpaching in Bishnupur district today. 9th Sector Assam Rifles Second World War Imphal Campaign Foundation and Manipur Tourism Forum jointly organized the commemoration at India Peace Memorial in Maibam Lotpaching. Commander of 9th Assam Rifles Amit Kapthial, DC Bishnupur, Pawan Yadav and top police officers were among those who paid homage to the slain martyrs of the war. War veterans Taurem Gauramohan and Asem Tompo were felicitated on the occasion. Second World War artifacts were also displayed in the event. Speaking to media, President of Second World War Campaign Foundation, Rajeshwar Yumnam, said that the event reminds the immense loss brought on by the war and gives a reason not to start another such war ever again.
Mi gitang kumapansi bet Red Hill hariba Maibalokpaching da leiba sigi mafam da thoki lana dugi aroi banu minne masi akhoi na commemorate tawri basi akhoi gi hori ba angang jing adai di akhoi gi future generation jing da akhoi gi lam da sumba thodo amasu thoki ko tang asukta phog da mi asuk sigi haiba historical epoch ama missing ling ama masi akhoi na mention bane na akhoi logje
me gi tang kun gi pung tara ma thoi ran thoi matam dai da Japanese na Maibam Lotpaching makhari kai da thungare Japanese la lamuk sangba tapak de yalaga phoge ka sai yeshalaga tumna milition ba yadana base yam kana bone lan yam kana thengna ba Japan gi di asini hai khangde kom de sina yam na lerami.
Proscribed People's Revolutionary Party of Kanglei Park, Pre-Park, in a press release, denounced terrorist title accorded by the Indian government, claiming that they are not terrorists but freedom fighters. The proscribed outfit reminded that freedom fighters of India were once accorded terrorist title by the British who conquered India. A book titled Lai Haraupa by Manipur, authored by Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar, was released at Jawaharlal Dance Academy, Imphal today. Chief guest of the event, former Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam, called upon every communities of the state to acquaint with another ancestral history to bring peace and harmony in the state. Renowned filmmaker Adibam Shyam Sharma, Vice President of Manipur Historical Society, Dr. N. Birchandra, retired Professor of Anthropology Department, Manipur University, Dr. W. Nabakumar, and Professor of the same department, Dr. M.C. Arun Kumar, were among those present on the occasion. Non-feature films directed by Adibam Shyam Sharma, namely Yelho Jagoi, The Dances of Lai Harauba and Lai Harauba, were screened in the event organized by Manipur Historical Society.
Lainambina lesima padagi hauratuna husika siga present day siga samlanba hajabta masida integrity ki elements jaw adigi lighting khurumbe matang sida akoi kai kamai tawani hansi elements bayam sida combine tawrakan amna chauba akoi samasta pirata sakta pakna amani masina taibsina akoi hauratpam akoi kanba group no na kanba jati no haba masi bahata na nanya da batara akoi ke nanya report ase tongan ba mayem da pugi fina ne adara akoi direction chakat da thiga da jaga se khang sa ta batara lambi de ko se lamuk na biya ko am su
Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah flagged off members of society for the promotion of Indian classical music and culture amongst youth Imphal chapter for participating in the Society's 7th International Convention from Raj Bhavan today. The convention will be held on the occasion of 50th Foundation Day observance of Jawaharlal Nehru University, JNU, Delhi from June 3rd to 9th. Altogether, 25 students of Assam Rifles Public School Kaithil Manbi, Assam Rifles Public School Mantri Pukri, Assam Rifles Middle School Phundurai and an artist troupe will also take part in the convention. Redmi Note 7S AI camera was launched in the state today. Renowned Manipuri actress Soma Laishram launched a mobile phone at MI stores in New Chekon Yai School, Thangmeiban. Students of Royal Academy of Science Wangkai Kongba, who backed high marks in this year's Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSIM Class 10 and Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur COSIM Class 12 examinations were felicitated today. Secretary Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur C.H. Biren and former Vice Chancellor of Manipur University Professor C. Amoba graced the event held at the auditorium of Manipur State Film Development Society in Palace Compound. Acting on a tip of regarding illicit activities going on at hotels in Imphal City, Imphal West Commando team conducted cordon search operations at Thangal Bazaar and Pauna Bazaar today. The team, under the supervision of additional SP operations, Imphal West Police, Aribam Kanashyam, carried out search drive at Hotel Shiroi, Hotel Avenue, Niran Lodge, Polo Inn, Kangla Hotel, Nongyen, Hotel City Heart, Hotel Gaylord, Prince Lodge, Hotel Bliss, New Guest House, Hotel Embassy and GM Hotel from 11:50 till 2 p.m. 4 women were arrested during the drive from Prince Lodge. They were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Government of Manipur Public Health Engineering Department in a press release informed that areas under the jurisdiction of Porompat Water Supply Scheme will not get water supply starting today till May 31st due to maintenance works. And before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Anonymous Greens brutally murders 60-year-old mother of renowned fashion designer Robert Naurum at her residence this afternoon. 12 Congress MLAs resigned from party posts, accepting faults in party's defeat in recent 17 Lok Sabha election. And teacher trainees of 2 exam centers urged relevant authority to declare pending results of NIOS diploma in elementary education examination.